You can leave voicemails on the T48S IP phone and also listen to the voicemail stored in a centralized location. To configure voicemail, press Menu, select Message, then Voicemail, then Set Voicemail Code. In the related account, enter the voicemail access code, for example *62, then press Done to accept the change. After you've successfully set up the voicemail, when there's a new voicemail, the LED power indicator will slowly flash red and the LCD screen will also display New Voicemail. A voicemail icon will also appear on the screen. You can check voicemail through 4 ways. Press the View key, press the voicemail icon, press the Message function key, or dial out the access code *62. To view the voicemail via phone's user interface, press Menu, select Message, Voicemail, and select View Voicemail. Then you can choose the desired voicemail you want to listen.